far as FDA, I know I've seen people on one of my videos
Oh,
ask about that. Is anything you could share about that in
yeah.
case anybody has any questions?
Yeah. So the first thing, yeah, I'm glad that question came up. So FDA people, mass companies will say FDA approved, and they say it because it just gives their customers or prospects some information that this is all A-OK per the FDA. Well, red light therapy is all okay for the FDA, but you can't, as a supplier, we can't say FDA approved. Nobody can say FDA approved for red light therapy. The only thing that's approved is drugs. Okay. So there's no such thing as approval. The thing that you can do, and this is what we do, and I'll tell you that a number of the companies don't even do this, is you have to be registered with the FDA. So you can say FDA registered, and then you can say FDA cleared, but you don't have to really even have an FDA clearance. We do have FDA clearance on our products, but there's a thing now that started about, it's a little over 8 years ago, called low risk general wellness. So the FDA said, we're not going to regulate all of these red light therapy companies. There's just too many of them. It's a low risk product and it's used for general wellness. So if you register as an FDA low risk general wellness product, then you can use that moniker, and you can say, hey, there's a statute. I think it's 1300013. 31. So 1300031. You can look that one up, and any red light therapy can claim that. Any company can claim that, but they have to be registered with the FDA. What registered means is that they've gone through an evaluation from the FDA to make sure they're a reputable company. They're not certifying that red light therapy works. The FDA does not certify that any of these products work. They just say that, hey, these products are considered safe.
Gotcha. Good. That's helpful, because I know people will ask more about that or want to know. Now,
and other companies, just to follow up on that, other
Yeah.
companies will try to be very confusing. Even the companies that know it will say, oh, we're FDA approved, or they'll say red light therapy is FDA approved. Well, that doesn't mean they are, and certainly they can't. There's no such thing as approved. So
great. Thanks for the clarification.